Norwegian lotto mistakenly told thousands they were filthy rich after math error. Oh, you have to divide by 100? It's a good little subtitle there. So essentially in Norwegian, okay, I don't even know if I did I can't even do the stupid what do you call it? The accent. There was some kind of software issue, and well, part of it was a software issue, I think, because there was a manual error in conversion, but it included some part of the software that like didn't really do a proper check, right? And well, they say it's not a technical error, but that's not. There was another article that said that there was a technical error. I read this yesterday and then I completely forgot about it. In any case, doesn't matter. You know what? It doesn't matter. Here's the problem. The problem is, even if it is not a technical error and it was just a manual error, this is still a fun article. So some people were getting jackpots that were 10,000 times higher. And on the other article I read, which I have it somewhere. It's on. I'm not going to go find it now because that'd be boring. But on the other article I read, they had to pay out some people because it was not a mistake on their end. That's what I read. So has been a big problem for them, obviously, in that they're giving out like millions. It's either millions or tens of millions of dollars to people who didn't actually win it. For example, I don't think they go over it in this one. I think they go over it in the other article. There was a trick you could do, which, yes, that was a software. So I'm not wrong. I remember this. The software error was that if you had a group of like six people and you all went in and did like a group purchase and you won something as that group of six people, the software error would give each of those six people the full amount that they won six times instead of splitting the amount by the group of people. And those people had to they had to pay them out. They got their earnings. They had to whatever software error caused that, they had to get paid out because the law stipulates that the only time you can take back money is if somebody like hacks the system or otherwise cheats. They didn't cheat. They didn't know. They didn't do anything wrong. They played it normal. It was the system that failed. And so they had to pay them out. And so as a result of all this stuff, one way or another, whether it's mechanical or software, they are looking down the barrel of fines so that they can ensure or so that they can pay a price for their lack of, let's say, oversight on their systems. I just wish that would happen to me. Just wish I never happens to me. Hardest problem in computing. They multiplied a value by 100 instead of dividing it by 100. Yeah, that's what I read too. But this was a different. I have the other one. So this is, yeah. So it's the manual error. It's a conversion process from euro cents to Norwegian kroner, multiplied amounts by 100 instead of dividing them. They didn't use a calculator. That's the problem. They didn't use ChatGPT. That's the error.